because I haven't jumped on stage and or had any other experience outside because of lockdown, and now phase 2 has started. I started some classes, okay, for something else. And I went to this center and they were offering a blowjob workshop. Wait, okay. Now, I have signed up for the blowjob workshop and I'm really excited. And my study material is a dildo and I have to get a dildo now. Have you guys heard of this? Does it happen in India?
No, I mean, I think it makes sense to have a blowjob workshop because some of you are not doing it right and we don't know how to tell you, hey, try a little, range in motion and some variations and stuff. So whoever this innovator is,
Sharul,
Yes.
is the lady who's teaching the course Daniel's mom?
Bring on the pussies.
Hey, but Sharul, I think the lady who's conducting the course is a Chinese lady, right? She has come to Malaysia before for talks.
No, I think
so
she's
basically
Nepalese.
it's Jason's mom.
We've degenerated very fast to the office spec scripts.
This is the level of comedy COVID-19 has deprived the Indian audiences, guys.
Okay,
I
but
can't
Sharul-
wait to go for this workshop. So
No,
you
but-
might
one
know.
sec. Sorry. Sharul, just give us more information. Who's conducting the workshop? Is it on Zoom? Will the video be on?
No, it's a live workshop, and
Okay.
you're meant to go in. You're meant to go in. Of course, you wear a mask. Once you're in this class, you need to have a study material, which is like a life-size, live feel. I think it's called something. It's a
Dildo lah.
dildo, but it's got a name where it feels like it's a real dick. And you're meant to learn how to give a good blowjob. Now, it blows my mind. Like, I came home, I signed up for it and I came back home and I was just like, I can't wait for this. Like, can I have...
So are there other students as well? Like, have you attended a class? How many sessions is it?
One second, Daniel is very suspicious because he asked, are there other students as well?
No, I'm just saying,
Like, he's
sort of.
trying to imply something else altogether.
One second. I'm just saying because I also have a podcast now. Let me just get all the information now. I'm recording tomorrow. So,
Sharul, I have to
let
say,
me do my
but
research.
your husband Rishi is a very lucky man.
No, but you see, the thing is, I told Rishi that, you know how this is practical. So you need to, once you learn it, you should have as much practice as possible.
But have you not been practicing all these years? What?
I don't know if I could, I don't know.
Because Rishi will lie to you.
but hang on a second. I imagine that it would be a little tricky to go to your partner and say, hi, I've just signed up for blowjob classes. Because as a guy, what the fuck do you say to something like that? Like,
So I told Rishi, this is what Rishi said. Rishi's like, if this is an excuse to get a dildo, I will never stop you. Go get it. I'm like, no, this is not the excuse, because I told him I need to order a nice dildo for myself. And he's like, dude, you don't have to do, what are you talking about? And I'm like, no, it is a workshop and this is my study material.
but
And
doesn't the
I-
dildo
my
come
study-
with instructions? But you don't use a dildo for blowjobs, do you?
Yeah.
Good. Where are you guys living?
No, as in, why would you?
As in, why would you put a dildo?
One second, so
Man,
I'm
you're
trying to
so easy
picture
to
this.
educate you, bro.
Hang on.
I'm just trying to
Ed,
picture this out, okay? So you are with your husband and you're like, hey, listen, I've learned blowjob classes. And he's like, and you're like, okay, here's the dildo. Now watch. And that's it. And he's like, go fuck yourself. I thought this is something.
I mean, it's a great TikTok video, but
No, but it's blowing my mind. It's blowing my mind, guys. Since I've signed up, I can't wait for this workshop because
What if this said that's like amazing that you didn't know till like before?
I didn't. And okay, so
Also-
then I found out there's an orgasm workshop, there's a blowjob workshop. And so they asked me which one you want to join, and I'm like, I don't need the orgasm
there's
workshop.
some Chinese lady who's really taking Singaporeans for a nice fucking ride. Dude. She's just targeting all the parts of the reproductive system and going, I'll do a workshop on this. I'll do a workshop on this. Hey, what's
Sharu?
this cow-like
Yeah.
structure? Yeah.
Sharul, is this by Dr. Martha Lee, clinical sexologist?
No, but she messaged me. She messaged me on Instagram. She said, can you do my Zoom video? We're having a sex orgy session. Babe, who the fuck is this Martha Lee? She messaged me and I told her, and I thought, babe, just for the sake of it, I gave her my email address. I say, I want to know more. because I'm like, I want to write some jokes, man. Just so, but then I blocked her because I got scared. What if she's a
Why?
scammer?
No, she's a real clinical sexologist. She came to Malaysia for a few talks. I've done a few events with her, but with none of the teaching stuff lah.
She wanted me
Jason,
to host an online orgy, babe. I didn't know how to take that. I was like, what am I getting?
Online
I don't want like
orgy?
comedian shout. Yeah, because there was a sex festival for Zoom.
Damn,
there's a
Singaporeans
sex
are getting
festival. Wow.
Singaporeans are getting it on, man. Malaysia's got none of this shit.
So is
Yeah,
the
because
sex festival, Sharul, I have a question. Is the sex festival the ultimate goal? So you have all these workshops, so you get to the festival and you do it right.
I'll
Is
do
that-
my own festival and then only have comedians on that, man.
And
then
after
all
the- after
10
the
men
sex-
and,
Sharul-
me and Aditi
Sharul-
Mittal can be on it.
Sharul, listen.
One second. I have last question. After the sex festival is done, do you guys go to a Punjabi restaurant on the first floor to have dal?
Black dal tadka. That's because all lives matter.
Oh, I
Sharul,
thought like
is
I thought it
No,
was dal
because-
makhani because when they put the cream
because
on
black
top.
because black lentils are bigger than yellow lentils.
Absolutely.
this
I by the way, just
is
on the
this
side,
sex festival-
I gotta ask Jason about Martha Ali, and I gotta ask Sharul way more questions because this is just the tip of the iceberg with this thing. I went and I just googled randomly Singapore blowjob classes, okay, and that's not a good idea to Google right now because I should have gone on incognito mode before doing that, and nothing shows up. So I just have a feeling that Sharul, I don't think this is the real class.
No, it is. I signed up for it. I'll show you the email.
just because you sign up doesn't mean it's legit. What the fuck?
It's a legit.
Listen, Sharul, I replied to a Nigerian prince's email. I still haven't seen the $5 million.
Fuck you.
or something.
I paid for babe. I am telling
Okay,
you.
sure.
Show you the email, okay?
Yeah.
Dem Chibai say your Dem Chibai.
Jason, who is Martha
Ibai
Ali?
means
and
cunt.
Who's Martha Ali and what shows have you done with her? So she does corporate
No, okay.
shows where she talks.
Okay.
Aiyo.
Fuck you all. Suck each other's dick. Okay.
Okay, fine, but
Okay.
Can't
that
see.
doesn't look legit at all.
Fuck you.
That
Chibai.
looks like the logo of the Riff Comedy
You're just
Club in
showing us
Hong
a
Kong.
bill. This could be a bill for anything.
What does it say?
It says blowjob, handjob class.
Listen,
$30.
Sharul, just take a screenshot and post it on the WhatsApp group, na, so we can see it.
Okay,
Slap
Chibai.
Dance Studio.
Yeah, like a slap dance studio where they're like, first thing you do, slap it. And then
I hope all your dicks fall off tonight at 12 o'clock. Wait, give me a minute.
I have to
India time or Malaysia time?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is legit, dude. It's legit.
There's somebody who said something
I
really
am not
funny.
kidding. I paid for this class. I'm going for it.
It's $30 for blow/hand job. So it's not just blow. So it's you're using two parts of your body, your lips and your hand.
I'm good. Babe, imagine the jokes that will
my
come out of
mind is
this. I
blown.
cannot wait.
This is the greatest podcast in the history of podcasts.
Yeah, dude.
Wait, it's podcast.
Podcast.
So just to clarify, Sharul, this is one session, right?
It's only one session. It could last for 3 hours because nobody else will. So then we'll learn. I learn. It's been so fun.
3
The-
hours.
Hey, but one second. If you guys are using dildos, how will you know if you're doing it right?
That's my next question.
There's only one way.
And my concern is, Sharul, I'm sorry for being sexist, but it is a woman
Oh,
telling
that's why you lost me. That's why you lost me, Jason,
No,
because I
no.
know you're
Hey,
gonna
but
be
one
a
sec.
sexist
This is
asshole.
Listen,
legit. This is legit,
listen.
Jason. Yeah.
It's a woman teaching a blowjob class and it's dildos. Shouldn't there be like a man involved somehow to see it and go, yep, that's a good one. I would come to that.
I have a feeling that they're gonna ask us for some feedback after. Like, how was it? Customer satisfaction. Like, I have a feeling that I was telling Rishi, I said, you know what? This could be the new. I mean, I can't hold
Yeah.
the mic on stage anymore, but this.
It can't be that big.
I'm not talking about a Malaysian dick. I'm talking about Rishi's Indian Sindhi
Even
dick.
then, if he's can't be that big.
Hey, please,
Okay, so
hey, come home first.
Okay, one sec. I think we have hijacked Saurabh.
this is
Poor
by the way, this
Saurabh
is the
looks like he's
weirdest-
been kidnapped. podcast.
this is I love this invitation that Sharul just gave to Jason. It's like, come to our house and see Rishi's dick. That's the invite she gave, which is your first engagement after the lockdown ends, is
Okay.
to come to the house.
But Jason
Guys,
is like, bitch, I've done
guys.
so much more with his dick.
Yes.
What is this? Come to see, just to see. I've already
Guys.
done so much more.
when I go to Singapore to perform gigs for Sharul and Rishi, I sleep in their actual bedroom. Like
Yes.
like you would think that when they ask me, hey, come and sleep at our house, you have your
That's
own
true.
room or at least a couch. No, they make me sleep in the same room, and I'm like, wait, I'm like,
One sec, Jason,
Wait,
one
Jason,
second.
I'll tell you something, Jason.
Wait.
The first time I ever messaged Saurabh and I ever chatted, I very casually slipped it in and said, hey, Saurabh, yeah, you're coming. You can sleep on the mattress in our room. And I think Saurabh, do you remember this?
I think so, yeah. I think so.
And I went, and I think Saurabh was like, fuck you, fuckers. I'm a professional comedian. I need a hotel room. What the fuck is she offering me?
Yeah.
But then little does he know that GB Labrador, Jason,
Yeah.
you're like, everybody's been in the room.
Hey, but to be fair, Jason, when I visited Singapore and Sharul and Rishi invited me over, they gave me my own apartment. Yeah, I don't know why you are sleeping on a fucking mattress. I
Yeah.
got my own apartment, dude.
But no, Jason, you've chosen the wrong career right now, right? Like if you like the doctors are even way more respectable than before. So why continue this charade, this failed premise of being
Well,
a comedian?
a lot of people have asked me, Jason, now with the COVID-19 pandemic going on, would you go back to medicine? And my answer is an emphatic no, because it really sucks to be a doctor during this pandemic. Did you know that? Like, I have friends who are frontliners and they are literally sweating, wearing that plastic PPE outfit with the mask and the face shield out in the hot sun conducting tests. No. I'd rather be here doing a podcast, feeling jealous at my fellow comedians getting apartments when they go to Singapore. This
so
is
Jason,
way better.
Yeah, so Jason, basically being a bad doctor really worked out for you then.
Actually, bad
Yes,
human
it does.
being, Jason. Fucked up
Yes, it
human
does.
being.
Yeah.
Hey, just FYI for people who are watching this and have no context whatsoever, Jason is one of the nicest guys in comedy. I swear. No, I mean it,
He's not
Jason.
funny, but he's a very nice guy, and
Yeah,
thank
we
you.
really like him.
This jokes are questionable, but he'll hang out with you. Like if you say, "Hey man, I want to try some Malay food," he'll take you out.
Yeah.
Uh,
And he'll feel
and
Indomie
then-
Maggie. Yeah.
and then he'll run his jokes by you, and you have to pretend to like them so he can drop you back. But the food is tasty. Is what
Yeah.
I'm saying. Jason.
Oh my God, Daniel, have you been through that as well in the car? Like, hey, what do you think of this? What do you think of this? so okay. I was like, hey, funny, huh? Okay. All right. Hey, anything better? Anything better? He
Then
just said all the
I just plug in my earphones and I pretend I'm listening to music. I was just like, listen, this is just fine.